I would now request Dr. Arshad Ahmed Sahib to introduce the Vice Chancellor's Teaching Excellence Award winner at LUMS, Dr. Muhammad Tariq, Associate Professor, Department of Biology, Syed Babar Ali School of Science and Engineering.
Sorry about that. The Vice Chancellor's Award for Teaching Excellence celebrates exceptional and inspirational teachers at LUMS. For the inaugural award, 5 faculty members were recognized for their contributions to significantly enhance the quality of their students' learning experience. The awardees for the 2020-2021 are Dr. Zubair Khalid, Dr. Muhammad Tariq, and Dr. Momin Ayub Apal from the Syed Babar Ali School of Science and Engineering, Ms. Angbeen Mirza from the Sheikh Ahmed Hassan School of Law, and Dr. Ali Raza from the Gurmani School of Humanities and Social Sciences. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my distinct pleasure to introduce Dr. Muhammad Tariq, who will speak on behalf of the awardees. Dr. Tariq Thank you. Dr. Tariq is an associate professor in cell and molecular biology at the School of Science and Engineering. He joined LUMS in 2009 after completing a PhD from the Friedrich Miescher Institute for Biomedical Research in Switzerland. As a founding member of the biology program, he developed the departmental vision and has recruited a stellar team of faculty specializing in biology, bioinformatics, microbiology, and biochemistry. He is also one of the pioneers for an exciting new teaching and research collaboration with the University of Baltistan in Skardu. Dr. Tariq is considered a master storyteller by his students and colleagues. His philosophy of no question is a stupid question has gone a long way in shaping critical thinkers and motivating his students. His teaching strategies prompt students to think independently, question the existing views in his field, and define new questions of scientific inquiry. His students attest to his passion for teaching and the contagious energy and enthusiasm that he brings to the classroom. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me to give a very warm welcome to Dr. Muhammad Tariq.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Hello and congratulations, class of 2020. Honorable founders and trustees of LUMS, Vice Chancellor Dr. Arshad Ahmed, our esteemed guest Sayyida Arifa Sahiba, faculty, students, staff, and parents. It's an honor to be talking to all of you today. I truly feel humbled because I know there are far better and much superior teachers at LUMS than I am. I owe this Excellence Award to a wonderful team of postdocs, PhDs, masters, and in particular the undergrads, many of whom worked as teaching assistants or co-workers in my lab over the last 12 years at LUMS. While working at LUMS, my team in epigenetics lab using fruit flies, known as Drosophila, has contributed to the body of knowledge about key developmental genes that keep genes in the on state responsible for maintenance of cell fates. I strongly believe, and this was only possible at LUMS because of the vision of our trustees, a highly meticulous and a merit-based system LUMS has established, and an unwavering support we receive for teaching and research. Within our meager resources in Pakistan, our team has literally tried to push the boundaries in the field of developmental biology. However, I would like to caution myself by remembering lines from Mia Muhammad Bag Sahab, "Pade da kade maan na kari ke main bahut haan padya, pade da kade maan na kari ke main bahut haan padya, o kahar jabbar kalave mate road dave dud kadya." Remember, it's always the team and only a team that succeeds. It's a team of faculty and students in biology that has established a high-quality interdisciplinary cell and molecular biology program. And I'm just a tiny cog there. Again, would like to quote Mia Muhammad Bag Sahab, "Khas khas jitna qadar na mera, te mere sahib nu vadiyaiyan, मैं गलियां दा रूड़ा खूड़ा ते महल चढ़ाया साइयां." My lectures in developmental biology also are kicked off with these lines where we learn the crux of the beginning of our own existence. How we develop in our mother's womb from a single cell after fusion of egg with a sperm cell. Two cells not considered to be so clean and nobody would like to touch them with our hands. The journey of life begins from a state that nobody would like to talk about in public. And ultimately, we all develop into a beautiful baby that everybody kisses. Despite going through the same developmental stages, each soul is a different book. Each soul, as a different book, is shaped by experiences born by interactions with fellow human beings. Our parents, and remember, our parents and teachers, they play a pivotal role in the long-term success of our lives. It is greatest achievement of a teacher and my biggest dream that I should be able to enable my students to surpass me. Although, as teachers, we teach you the best textbooks, we claim to be a premium institute, but I wish we can teach you life 101. I wish we can prepare you for failures and stress and depression when you fail and stumble in practical life. I wish we can educate you and transform you so that each one of us no more values wealth, status, and qualification as symbol of respect and success in the society. I also wish we can inspire you to dream big and transform your lives as a role model in humility, truthfulness, and have a fearless attitude in life. Last but not the least, my conversations around the world, they remain incomplete if I don't convey the message that listening to Surah Al-Rahman in the voice of Qari Abdul Basit cures any illness. I experienced this 20 years ago in Switzerland. 20 years down the road, I have realized I am perhaps cured of one of the biggest illness, which is fear of tomorrow and regrets of yesterday. I advise you to try it yourself. Do an experiment. Like me, one day, I'm certain you will recall Baba Bulle Shah when he says, ਭਜ ਭਜ ਵੜੇ ਮੰਦਰ ਮਸੀਤੀ ਕਦੇ ਮਨ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੜਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਭਜ ਭਜ ਵੜੇ ਮੰਦਰ ਮਸੀਤੀ ਕਦੀ ਮਨ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੜਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਅਸਮਾਨੀ ਉੜਦਾ ਫੜੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਘਰ ਬੈਠਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫੜਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ With these words, I would like to thank you all and I wish you all the best. बहुत सारी दुआओं और ढेरों प्यार के साथ मेरी दुआ है कि अल्लाह आपका सदा हामी और नासिर हो और आप सदा कामयाब रहें. Thank you.